Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for human computer interaction in English, week 4, assignment 4. So the first question is user perspective in SCI helps designers understand. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says user perspective are the lens through which we understand how people perceive and interact with technology. HCI focuses on designing systems that accommodate diverse user needs and behaviors. So the answer of our first question is B. How user perceive and interact with technology. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which of the following is an example of accessibility consideration? So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says accessibility, ensuring that everyone regardless of ability can use the interface. Example, a reading app offering adjustable font sizes and a dyslexia friendly mode. So the answer of our second question is B, providing adjustable font size and dyslexia friendly modes. And now let's go to our question number 3. Novice user generally prefer. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says novice users prefer simple and intuitive interfaces with clear instructions. So the answer of our third question is D, simple interfaces with clear instructions. And now let's go to our question number 4. A persona is best described as. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says persona in user centered design. A persona is a fictional yet data driven representation of a target user based on real user research. So the answer of our fourth question is B, a fictional data driven representation of a user. And now let's go to our question number 5. Surveys in user research are useful because they. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. The explanation says surveys and questionnaires efficient way to collect large scale data. So the answer of our fifth question is B, allow quick collection of large scale data. And now let's go to our question number 6. Empathy mapping categorizes insights into. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says empathy mapping. Traditional empathy maps divide the user or persona into four quadrants, says think, does and feels. So the answer of our sixth question is B, says, thinks, does, feels. And now let's go to our question number 7. A common challenge in user perspectives is. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says challenges in understanding user perspective. Diverse user needs designing for a broad audience can lead to conflicting requirements. So the answer of our seventh question is B, conflicting needs among different user groups. And now let's go to our question number 8. Affinity mapping is mainly used to. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says data synthesis using affinity mapping. Definition: affinity mapping, also known as affinity diagramming, is a method used to organize and synthesize qualitative data by grouping related items based on their natural relationship. So the answer of our eighth question is B, organize qualitative data into themes. And now let's go to our question number 9. A POV, point of view statement includes. So these are the options, and the answer of our ninth question is B, user need and insight. And now let's go to our question number 10. Data clustering helps in. So these are the options, and now let's check the explanation. So explanation says data clustering use clustering techniques to categorize users into different groups. So the answer of our 10th question is A, grouping users based on similar behaviors. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing, you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.